Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. Welcome to maths class. Topic of the day is adjacent angles. Objectives of the lesson. After this lesson, students will be able to define adjacent angles. Number 2, calculate the value of unknown angles by applying the property of adjacent angles. Number 3, identify adjacent and non-adjacent angles. Which angles are adjacent angles? We can define adjacent angles as a pair of angles with a common vertex and a common arm but do not have overlapping interiors. We know very well about vertex and arm of angles. Now we would want to explain interior of the angle. Interior of the angle is the area between two arms of the angle. Example, students, look at the figure. Straight line AD and straight line BD meet at point D and make angle ADB. Similarly, line BD and line CD meet at point D and make an angle CBD. Angle ADB and angle CBD have common arm BD and common vertex D. Therefore, these angles are adjacent angles. Non-adjacent angles. Students, look at the figure. You can see straight line AB and straight line CD meet at point O and make four angles: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. O is vertex. Vertex is a point at which two or more lines meet. Angle 1 and angle 2 are non-adjacent angles as they have no common arm, and angle AOD and angle AOB are also non-adjacent angles as their interiors are overlapping. From the above figure, complete the following pairs of angles. You have to complete these 5 pairs. Now we will calculate unknown angles by applying the property of adjacent angles. Page number 209, question number 1. Find angle XOZ if angle A is equal to 15 degree and angle B is equal to 30 degree. Students, look at the figure. You can see angle B and angle A are adjacent angles with common vertex O and common arm OY. Solution: angle XOZ is the sum of two angles, angle XOY and angle YOZ. First of all, we will make the equation. Angle XOZ is equal to angle XOY plus angle YOZ. Angle XOY is equal to angle B and angle YOZ is angle A. Now put the values. Angle B is equal to 30 degree and angle A is equal to 15 degree. 30 degree plus 15 degree is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, angle XOZ is equal to 45 degree. Page number 209, question number 2. Angle LMN is 150 degree. Find angle X. We will calculate angle X by applying property of adjacent angles. Solution. Angle LMP is given, that is 43 degree. Angle PMO is equal to X, and this is unknown angle. Angle OMN is 66 degree and angle LMN is given, that is 150 degree. For this, first of all, we will make an equation. Angle LMN is the sum of three angles: angle LMP, angle PMO, and angle OMN. Therefore, angle LMN is equal to angle LMP, angle PMO, and angle OMN. Now put values. Angle LMN is equal to 150 degree. Angle LMP is equal to 43 degree. And angle PMO is equal to X. Angle OMN is equal to 66 degree. Sum of 43 degree and 66 degree is 109 degree. To calculate angle X, we will eliminate 109 degree from right side. For this, we will subtract 109 degree to from both sides of the equation. 150 degree minus 109 degree is equal to 109 degree minus 109 degree plus angle X. Difference of 150 degree minus 109 degree is 41 degree. Therefore, angle X is equal to 41 degree.